Della and Jim were a young couple, deeply in love but struggling with money. Della counts her coins and touches her long hair. I need the perfect gift for Jim. Della rushes into a wig shop, hesitates, then lets her be cut. She buys a beautiful watch chain for Jim. Jim enters their home, sees Della's short hair and looks surprised. I sold my hair to buy you watch change. I sold my watch to buy you beautiful hair combs. They look at each other, then smile and embrace.